Hey queens or kings, welcome to my channel. I'm doing a review on the Supermodel series, the Swiss lace silk base lace frontal wig from the brand Sensational. The style is Natalia and the color is 1B. If you want to see how I went from long to short, definitely keep on watching. Also, this is a 100% human hair and hybrid mix, so you can do whatever to it. You can flat iron it. This is a universal part, so you can do a side part, middle part, whatever you want to do. So yeah. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this wig. I'm following along from a YouTuber that I really like, and one of the reasons why I got this wig. So I'm going to follow her method and see if it comes out exactly how she did it. So first, like I said, this is my first wig, so I don't really, just off the strip of what I see in the YouTube videos and things like that, like, I'm just going off of what I think I know how to do. And let's just pray that, you know, it comes out exactly how she did it. Right now, I'm just using Eco Styling Gel. I actually need some more. I was just at the beauty supply store. I should have got some more. But anyway, I got 2 caps. I wasn't sure which cap to get, well, as far as the colors are concerned. So I got, oh, it comes with 2. Okay, so I got this color, and I got black, of course. So I'm just going to do the black. Alright, so yeah. Alright, kind of opened up the other one, but oh well. I'm just going to do the black and stick to what I think that I know. So, I'm going to just bobby pin my hair back, well, I guess up in the back, and I just did 6 cornrows. You don't have to do a million bajillion cornrows. You just want to make sure that the cornrows are as flat as you can get it. So what else I got is some oil. I don't know, I never used this oil before, but I'm just going to use it. Just in between, oh, it smells good. It's argan oil, premium natural hair oils, and it's used to moisturize overly dry, leaving hair thicker and full of body. So this is, so I'm going to just go between the parts. Now I'm dripping a finesse. Say that. That was corny. But let me just dab a little bit. Alright, so now on to the fun part. We're going to put this stocking cap on. My head. Oh, so tight. So definitely want to make sure that it's not all the way on your head. You know, like still have the edges out and things like that. Y'all, I'm scared. Okay. So here is the wig. It is a blend. So it is a mixture of synthetic and human hair. And this is the hair. I got this in 1B. I don't really, it's not like I don't like colors, but I have to really know that the color's gonna look good on me. Like, I can't just get a blonde wig all willy-nilly if I don't know if it's gonna look good on me. But I mean, well, in high school I used to dye my hair all the time, so I don't know. But it's really soft. I do just going off of what I did see, you know, from different YouTubers, is that it does get dramatically long out of nowhere for no reason. So it's like really short, and then it gets really long, and I don't really like long hair like that. So, which is the main reason why I'm glad that I came across J. Marie's videos, because I can see how to cut it in such an easy way. This is the part that it came with. I kind of messed the part up, but I know that I can fix it, but when I grabbed it out the box. But yeah, this is the part. It's pretty deep, and it is a lace front. So I gotta cut the lace. Please bear with me. I've never done this before. So, yeah, I'm going to oh yeah, so I cut the lace off. I'm going to take my rat tail comb real quick and just try to make the part a little. So now what we all been waiting for, I'm going to put it on. Not bad. Here, and this is the wig. It doesn't look wiggy. Well, yeah, this is wiggy. I don't really like how wiggy it looks, but like as far as like that is concerned, I know I can probably lay down a little bit more flatter, but like I said, I don't really know how to do that, at least right now. Alright, the long hair is about to go bye-bye, but like I said, it gets how it's short and how it gets drastically long. That's what it looks like. So not really a fan of that, but it does feel nice and soft. I can say that. So alright, so hold on real quick. I'm going to show you what I'm about to do next. I'm about to do the J. Marie method, the way she combed it out or brushed it out and then put it in the bows and then cut it. So I'm going to do exactly what she did. Yeah, not that bad. It does get tangled towards the ends, but that's expected. There's also a lace front, so I can even do to the side if I want to. Do a part like that. This is cute to the side. But I think I'm going to just do the middle for today. I'm not going to try to outdo myself right now. This way. I'm pretty pleased with my hair. I like it. It's not bad at all. I put my curlers on thinking I was going to like straighten it or whatever, but I really like this curl. It's really, I'm really pleased with this look. The part is good. Like, it was so easy to cut. This definitely makes me want to try the colors and see how the colors work. I definitely recommend this hair. I love it. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, just tell me why in the comments, and just let me know what you wish I would have touched base on, or even if you have a tip of how I can make this wig a little tighter, or if you have anything that I might need to know about how to keep the wigs maintain the wig. Like I said, just definitely let me know. I don't think this is the most easiest hairstyle ever. I think wigs is gonna be my go-to because yeah. So this concludes my video. I'm definitely be on the lookout for more videos, and yeah. So alright.
I should've staked up my bad bitch, activate, without no makeup.